I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pistachio praline, easy method. Begin by toasting the pistachios until fragrant, then prepare a clean baking sheet. Heat sugar slowly to a deep amber while stirring gently, then add butter and cream carefully. Fold in the toasted pistachios evenly, spread thin, and cool completely. Break into pieces and store in an airtight container away from humidity for lasting crunch and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make pistachio praline, easy method. Gather 2 cups of pistachios, 1 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, and 1 tablespoon cream or water. Prepare tools: a heavy-bottomed pan, spatula, and parchment-lined sheet. Toast the nuts briefly to enhance aroma and set aside. Keep ingredients at hand because sugar cooks quickly once it starts to caramelize, and timing matters for texture and color. In this video, I will show how to make pistachio praline, easy method. Use medium heat and patience to coax the sugar from clear to rich amber without burning. Avoid constant vigorous stirring. Gentle swirls prevent crystals and promote even melting. When the caramel reaches color, remove from heat and stir in butter and cream quickly, then fold in nuts. Spread thinly to cool faster and achieve crisp shards ready to break and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.